Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit a username in Microsoft Teams admin. So let's get started. One thing that you need to know is that you can't directly change it from Teams settings. You must edit it in Microsoft 365 Admin Center. So you gotta simply click on profile over here and click on this pencil icon and you will be redirected to the manage account section. Here, you got to make sure that you're logged into the Microsoft admins account, and then you can simply go to full name and click on edit name over here, and you'll be able to see two sections. One will be first name and the other will be last name. So you can simply change it and then click on save. And now you can see that the full name has been changed. But before doing that, you need to make sure that your user is active and you are an admin account. The updated name will sync to Microsoft Teams after a few minutes and you're set to go. So that is basically how you can edit a username in Microsoft Teams admin. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.